Sugar is a natural product. It's extracted from the sugar beet that grows on the Dutch fields. It all starts on farmland. Early in spring, beet seeds are planted. The beet plant grows, and underneath the ground, a firm root is formed, the sugar beet. Starting in September, the beets are harvested and transported to the factory. Once the beets arrive at the factory, they are cleaned. The tips of the roots break, and together with the washing water, they are used in the production of green gas. The soil that is washed off the beets is used for raising roads and dikes. The beets are cut into thin strips, and the warm water causes the sugar to dissolve out of the beet cells. This produces raw juice. The beet pulp that is left is used in animal feed. Lime and CO2 are added to the raw juice. Lime binds the impurities in the juice, and the CO2 causes these particles to precipitate. The raw juice can now be filtered. What is left behind is liming product that is used in agriculture. After being filtered, the product that remains is thin juice. Through evaporation, the thin juice thickens, raising the percentage of sugar from around 15% to 70%. The thin juice has now become thick juice. This thick juice is then thickened even further, resulting in the formation of sugar crystals. This crystal gruel is centrifuged, causing the white sugar crystals to separate from the brown syrup. This brown syrup is called molasses and is used in, for example, animal feed or for the production of bioethanol. Finally, the white sugar crystals are dried and cooled. We now have sugar. It is ready to be transported to industrial customers for further processing or to be packaged as an end product for the consumer. Sugar, a product from nature.